Wonders shall never end. How married woman go dey sleep with her own husband, elder brother? Now, for which country that one? Like, seriously, I never hear am. I don't hear when papa dey sleep with daughter. But me never see where woman go open eye, dey yash her own husband, elder brother. No be younger brother or elder brother. My people, make una watch this my video. Make una know, make una hear wetin happen and why this woman can't go dey yash her husband, elder brother. The matter will shock una. Mona watch the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Joy. So guys, if today is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. So guys, without wasting your time, let me quickly go to the... So guys, today I will be talking about our Nigerian brothers and Nigerian sisters. Not only Nigerian, Africans. Because I don't understand this thing. Why it be say many of our brothers, when it be say then they are abroad, they no one bring their head down, make them find better woman for the country when it be say then they marry the woman, settle down, start their life. They look, I want go Africa, go marry. I want go Africa, go marry. Those girls where they Africa, wait till they are kpekus when it be say, you know, they kpekus of women where be say then they abroad. No be the same hoe where those ones get and those ones to get. Wait till be una problem. I don't understand. And you woman, marriage and no be business. Marriage no be business at all. No start with you, no go end. Because we believe say we Africans them we get tradition. You go see some people go like Nigeria, then visit Nigeria, they'll just get accident, die. They'll say na the mama killer, na the papa killer. No be him. Now the nyashing when it be say their wife don't go nyash outside up and down. They come back now, they still come nyash the woman they cook for them, they eat. Then they sleep for the same bed. And then no say yes, we get tradition. And then they forbid say make a wife no go sleep outside with another man. If you sleep for outside, the thing will affect the husband and the children. Still yet, the woman will go. But you the man, wait, man ask you a question. You no say a woman where you live for more than 2 years. You know go do ikpoki for outside. The country where you there, you know they do. So what to make you reason or what to make you think say the woman go dey faithful to you, but no be firewood. And my sisters, may instead do be say you go come carry person blood on top your head. You go payment person innocent pikin. No marry am. No marry am. If na juju do make you collect money for a hand, start your own life. Why you go marry man where you know say the man no go dey there to dey satisfy you, to dey give you wetin you want? Wetin make me dey talk this thing? Now concerning our brother when he be say he dey abroad, when he marry wife keep for house, for him elder brother wey be say he don't hold him face come squeeze like a chimpanzee, we go dey chop the girl. Now only God now know whether na juju na the man do the woman, or na money. Now the husband no they give am well, because I don't see many men like that for abroad here where we say even gen to fuel to put for gen, they tell their wife days where we say their wife go on gen and hours. The cars where we say them buy put for house, they no born their wife where made they ride them. I know many men like that for this Europe will be like that. So now money na him make this our sister go the yash in brother as in her husband, elder brother. No. Like I for put the video, but I know they like put person video for my channel because number one, that woman, even though she no get pikin today, she go get am tomorrow. And if you get am tomorrow, no mother go want maybe say make their child see or know their mistake of today, make dem come know am tomorrow. No, they no go dey happy. So that's why I know they like carry those kind of people face come put for my channel. If not, I for put their video more and see something, more and see shameful thing. Hi. And the more we dey talk those things, the more our brothers they do am. You get one video when I do last week, some people come they write me for Facebook and Instagram. They say, why they talk like this? My brothers, now true matter they talk. If you get any question where you want ask me for any video when I make, no go my Facebook or my Instagram, go they write me. If you hold my number, no enter my WhatsApp, write me. Right under that video, make everybody they see am, and I go answer your question there. Everybody go know why I make am. Because the more we they talk this thing, the more people they talk this thing, the more our brothers they make that mistake they go. The more then they make am they go. You can imagine, man, where you woman never see since so your mama born you. Una go talk for video call, una go do normal call, you go just gree, may marry you, you carry picture. Now very rare you they do where you carry person picture, they walk up and down, they snap with. It makes sense. And some people now, they don't spend 6 years or don't spend 10, 12 years for abroad. They don't get paper to go back house. You can't still marry the person. When you say the person will get paper, can't see you. I know they laugh anybody. But it hard. If na person wey don't get paper, no problem. You go no say, maybe in 2 years to come or 1 year to come, you go gather body, can't see me. You just go marry woman, dump and somewhere, come sit down. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you know, go see your wife. How she know go do the ikpoki for outside? And women, you will be say you dey marry man with they abroad, and he no tell you saying go carry you come, or you no tell and say yes, you must carry me come. Oh, you just marry and sit down for Africa. They receive 40,000 every month. You know how much be 40,000 for here? And I wait till they care our brothers with that. Woman with the Africa, if they give her 20,000, she don't dey satisfied for that month. If they give her 40,000, hey, that one and they say na king, na the man be. If you can't even buy motor, give am way go, they carry small boys, they put for front with the service am, matter don't close. Now that thing na they kill now. Na that can't think so. Na be una problem. Na problem be that. Waiting they happen. Waiting they happen. Why una no go bring una mind down? If you see woman for place where you dey, character, you get character, you get wetin that woman they do, you know, like her. You fit change her. Nobody is perfect. You will be say you the man will be say they find perfect woman. You are not perfect. So what you want use Madam Perfect to do? You will be say you know be Mr. Perfect. What you want use perfect person do? This life no balance. And our sisters then they like make them marry already made man and be on a problem. Now just be on a problem, and the disgrace will be say on her face they circulate for social media. This one anybody will be say no one. I don't know how she will take face her parents. How she want take face her family. I don't know. How you want take face your family, madam? Will be say they go catch you with your elder brother, your husband, elder brother. And that useless man, now he still get your own family. He get your own family. But my brother, I just want to destroy. Enemy of progress. Madam, you know see other men for outside. Why your husband, elder brother? I don't understand though. Must you do it with your husband, elder brother? Men don't finish for outside. There are many men, you know, even your age mates, the ones who senior you. The ones where you still senior, you go just find one sugar boy, you know, they with them. And find one sugar boy where go they call you sugar mommy. If you give am 5k, wetin be that my brother name again, wey saying work now to the service women, you'll just find in contact. It dey very easy to get the guy Instagram name. You just go right on Instagram and see wetin you want to, once in a week or 3 times in a month. Una go talk price, e go come dey knack you. Period. Wetin come be the one wey be say na your husband, either brother, now you can go meet, make it dey knack. Which kind wahala be this? My people, this matter so e pain me and I shame for that woman. So make I end am for here. I thank una very much for watching this my video. May Almighty God bless you all. And I beg, Mona, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And Mona comment. Make una leave una own opinion below the comment section. I thank una very much. Bye bye for today.